So, as you guys know, the go-kart project has been on hold for a very long time. And that is mainly due to me not having a goal as to where this is going, me not having a vision. But we recently bought an ATV, and that ATV is going to become sacrificial to this project. Currently, we are going to take this ATV apart into sections so we can throw it on the go-kart and make it into this big Frankenstein build. And now I'm super excited because we have everything we need to get this project going. So, let's get to cutting so you guys can see the vision that I want to bring to life. Oh, so sad. Have you ever seen a plasma cutter?
Yes and no. Only online. So what is it? Just some hot ass torch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the warehouse working in full effect.
Yeah.
You want to grab the back and I'll grab the front. I saw it like shift and I was like, okay, that's enough cutting before we drop everything.
Gross.
It's apart. Now that we have everything apart, we need to get the go-kart over here and figure out how we're going to mount this thing. Because I have a certain idea in my head, but I don't know if it's going to work until we put it on there. So let's grab that go-kart and figure out where everything's going to go. So here it is, the go-kart that has been sitting around for 2 years. We have the custom suspension set up right now, and it breaks my heart, but we're probably going to switch over to the new one because it's already set up to go. To me, it makes more sense to use something that, you know, the math already works out, everything checks out, everything's ready to go. That way we can get this on the road and running, and we can worry more about the body. We're going to mount the back end first to see where everything's going to sit comparatively to the seat, and then probably figure out this front suspension setup as well. My hope is that we can put it here. Is it actually going to work? I don't know. This is going to get long, dude. This is going to be a fucking limousine. Holy shit. Thank you, man. Cause I'm trying to think what else goes here. I don't think anything else goes here. Yeah, shit, if that's the case, then we can move it up. Like 4 inches? I think it's gonna fall. this is the other hard part about having a project that you've been on and off with for the past 2 years, is that you can't find shit. So we're gonna take a break. We're gonna find shit.
All right.
So we went ahead and mounted the seat for reference, and we found out that we need to cut a little bit more on the frame. So we're gonna cut that out. We're gonna also test fit to see where it wants to sit after we cut it. And I'm realizing now that this is gonna be a really long go-kart, but it's gonna probably look similar to a sandrail as far as size goes. But that means we also need to fix the body on the go-kart. But that's for a later day. You guys are gonna see that here pretty soon, hopefully. So let's get to cutting a little bit more. Let's see where everything sits, and let's see if we can get this thing mounted today. Where am I cutting?
Where'd you put your gloves? Oh, right there this whole time?
Yeah. I know, I was looking for them too. I was like, I don't know where the fuck I put them. So I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna cut. Okay. Just as a safety precaution so it doesn't fall. Just as a safety precaution so it doesn't fall. Tug of war.
Oh my god, I'm shaking. This is an ab workout.
Oh, there it is. Beautiful. Part is complete. Now let's see how this fits. Now it fits the way I want it to fit.
Fits good? Fits bad?
If it's good, it is a little close to the driver. We do got to do a little bit more cutting, and then we'll measure everything out and then tack this in place. So we might get some welding done today.
Yes.
Así de fácil. So now I need to figure out the centers and figure out the math behind this. Woo! More cutting! Yeah! That's why we gotta be careful, ladies and gentlemen. Safety first.
Wow. Whoa.
Close enough to weld. I like it. Oh.
It's like
So we got ground. I think this thing is fucking massive. This is probably going to be one of the most fun things we've done in a very long time.
Mm-hmm.
And I think everybody that sees it is really going to enjoy it. But it is getting late. Me and Mr. Cameraman have still not eaten, so I'm going to invite him on a date. This is the new direction for the new go-kart. So we'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.